Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to party watch on Disney Plus or watch with others. So let's get started right away. First of all, you will need to install the Teleparty application. So open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and then type in Teleparty and start your search. Once you find the Teleparty application, tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Teleparty application on your device right away. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the open button you can tap on it to open up the Teleparty app. And now once you open up the Teleparty application, you will be asked to choose your platform. Just tap on it, Disney Plus, and now you will be asked to log into your Disney Plus account. Just enter your email address and your password for your Disney Plus, and then you will be asked to verify your identity by entering the 6-digit code as well. After entering all of these credentials, you will be logged into your Disney Plus account and you can immediately start streaming your show that you tap on from the Teleparty app through a link that you will find within this app that you can share with your friends, and they can join you to watch together with just one click. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to party watch on Disney Plus. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.